It's good, y'all.
Back again with another installment.
Give me 1 second. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going.
Should I keep going or
keep going.
You out? You dipping? Alright, back again with another installment. Not the number 1. Definitely not the number 2. The number 0, because that's before 1. The number 0 cooking show in all of the world, in all of the universe, in all of the galaxies. We back again. Y'all see what we doing? The Benefits Cooking Show. What we doing? How you feeling?
Listen, man, I'm feeling good right now. I'm in the mood for some chicken. Benefits Cooking Show is about, taking simple meals, making it gourmet, stuff that, is around the crib, lying around. But also, sometimes we got to do shit for the culture.
And we got to get creative with it, too.
You know what I'm saying?
You can never go wrong with some chicken.
You can't go wrong with some chicken.
Whether you white, black, blue, green, orange, or yellow, you can never go wrong with chicken.
But it's Black History Month, so,
so I got to cool out on that.
You got to cool out.
It's straight
just black.
It's
black.
Black.
Matter of fact,
we might have to act.
Straight black.
We might have to
what's special about these wings, though, is that I don't know if you guys ever heard of BBQs. Is there BBQs like countrywide?
I feel like there is BBQs, Bronx barbecue, but it's like, why would a Bronx barbecue?
It's not Bronx.
It's not. It's Dallas BBQ. Where I get Bronx BBQ from?
That's the one in the Bronx.
This all-out brawl involving nearly 40 customers caught on cell phone video.
Anyway, they have a popular ass dish called the Hennessy wings. You ever had the Henny wings?
I did. It was alright. It was mid.
I'm about to have an In-N-Out moment right now.
I really love Cali, but In-N-Out burger is trash. It's really weak.
Cali,
it's trash. It was mid.
Henny wings are disgusting. They're not mid. They're trash.
I feel like it's overhyped because it's Henny. Hennessy got a strong chokehold on the nigga community. But tell me, black community.
Tell me the last time that you drank Henny and was like, this is delicious. I want this on food.
The other day.
You said this is delicious? You got problems. Yo, so we gonna remix the Henny wings a little bit and put our own little twist to it.
But
we're not using Henny.
We using Bumbu.
A lot of y'all don't know what this is.
This is chilled. Look at that.
A lot of y'all don't know what this is. Matter of fact, I might need a little.
That's chilled right now. See, the seal is on it still. The seal. You talk up. I'm gonna open it up.
Bumbu is a rum from DR.
I don't even know where it's from, honestly. It's Barbados. Barbados rum.
For the whole fucking culture today. I love it. So yeah, Bumbu is a rum from Barbados. You know what I'm saying? The reason that rum is good to use for dishes like this is because rum usually it contains a little bit of sweetness to it already.
And especially this one. This has a sweetness to it to where you can drink it by itself without really mixing it with anything. It has like a sweet honey taste. So we're going for like a honey barbecue Bumbu wings kind of vibe right now. Yeah. Honey barbecue Bumbu wings. I like that. First things first, as usual, if y'all haven't forgotten, when it's time for you to season some chicken, what's the first step?
You gotta clean your meat.
First of all, before that, you gotta clean your hands. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
I know we on COVID season 3 right now, but wash your hands. Wash your hands. It's still out here. Wash your hands.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
All right, let's
get it. Alright, so it's important to clean your meat, you know what I'm saying? You gotta clean your meat, man.
It's important to clean your meat in the sink and in the shower.
Let's get the wings going. Hot water, gotta be hot. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take all of these little excess pieces off. It's important when you clean your chicken, like really just examine what the hell is going on in here. Really just take our time cleaning this shit properly. This shit is important. You know what I'm saying? Dirty chicken on Black History Month. It's crazy.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I love to season my chicken. There's no such thing as over seasoning. It's either you season it or you don't. It's either you Caucasian or you're not. Come on, it's easy, it's easy. Sorry to the Caucasus people, but it's Black History Month. Sorry, not sorry.
Not sorry.
So what we're gonna do first, always first, you gotta do the salt. The salt and the black pepper first. You know what I'm saying? With the salt from the Himalayas. Pink salt from the Himalayas. Alright, and after this, we could do onion powder and the garlic powder, you know. I like to see classics. I like to season in tubes.
Classics.
If you're not sneezing, you ain't seasoning. I feel it coming in right now.
Shit just there.
If you ain't seasoning, wait, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoning. We got
adobo in there.
We got the adobo. Man, this nigga seasoning and shit. Damn, that boy seasoning.
That's the flavor right there.
Woo! Smell like somebody granny's crib. Alright?
It's the part.
It's the part right here.
Part. Hold on, get this out your way.
It's the part right here.
Get this out your way. Get that out your way.
This is season. I need all over that meat. That meat. This shit was all
Barbecue rub?
Yeah, please and thank you. Grassy ass.
No problem, my brother. Let me know when to stop.
Like you rubbing some cheeks. Don't know them little bullshit that you be seeing on the internet, on the gram, people season. Nah, this is how you season some meat. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Like my nose dripping, like my nose dripping, like come on, man, like this is real stuff. This is real life.
You look like you just committed a murder.
So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna wash up my hands, and we're gonna get to a little commercial break. Nah, this joint.
She a real dope dealer, met her at the Y, she an ab filler. Why you gotta lie? Your nigga in the car, waiting for his pie. I don't want the cake, she asked for an Addy now, she just wanna bake. I'm just tryna stuff, all in the sugar, spice like Pow, 50 rhyme like Puff. Shorty seen the flash, peep back, said what? Yeah, she a real dope dealer, met her at the Y, she an ab filler. Why you gotta lie? Your nigga in the car.
Hold up. That really proves to me that it don't matter, bro. It don't matter what I do.
Bro.
Because there's nothing I could do that could really...
Like, all jokes aside, my nigga, if you was white, bro, and did why you lying, bro?
It's over.
Tag or no tag? Because remember how you was going on what they tag?
Oh, they tagged me.
Fuck that. Bro, they would have found you if you was white, bro. We back again with another Sauce Tutorial, you know what I'm saying? So, boom, we got our pot going, we got the fire going. We're going to throw a little water in our pot. That's number one. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just a good little base of water right there. Then, boom, we're going to take a little bit of the Sweet Babies. Sweet Babies! And I said a little bit of Sweet Babies, but I lied. There's going to be a lot of Sweet Babies. We got a lot of wings here.
A lot.
We got a lot of wings. Little Bumbu. We're going to take the Bumbu now. This is the all-star of the dish. We're going to put the Bumbu in there.
Just a shot of Bumbu.
Shots of Bumbu.
Yeah, now we tweaking now. He's trying to get drunk.
Make sure you don't hit skip ads, people. It's Black History Month. We need that breach.
If you skip ads, you racist. You a racist.
0.5. Go catch a lot of unnecessary shit. You recording, right?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna put a little sauce in there. Whoops, clean that up in a second. right, boom. You can cut.
I'm moving still. Back that out.
Yes.
You can show the camera. Niggas
Yes.
not seeing what we seeing. Y'all not seeing what we seeing.
Go ahead. Is it, bro? Oh, it's on?
You know?
All right, so I got a couple wings in this bad boy right here. Can I get a plate, sir? Of course. Appreciate you, brother. Damn, you about to be a fucking guy. Okay. All right, so we're just going.
Combination of the licks. And that looks crazy. It's no easy. It's really no easy for me to do with this.
We're gonna take one of them out.
Oh, shit. It's like that.
It's like that. That shit look crazy.
Oh, shit.
Crazy shit. Crazy working.
Honey barbecue Bumbu wings. You might have to be the first nigga to try this.
That's that shit. That's that splat right there.
Do you see
That's that splat right there.
Do they see that? Hold on. Oh, man.
That's real quick for everybody. Wings or flats?
Ooh. Flats?
Flats.
I say flats.
I mean, I said wings. Drums or flats?
That's tough. I'm gonna say chicken. Fuck it.
Hey, fuck it.
I ate both of them shits at the same time.
Cheers, my brother.
We might just do some shit. Woo!
Nah, what the fuck?
That's some shit. Mind you,
What the fuck?
this is the first time we made this.
This the first time we ate it. What the fuck? I've never tasted nothing like this before.
This probably me here walking around like this. Sauce.
Nah, that is crazy.
It's good.
Like good. It's not like over barbecue like the Bumbu. Like it's different. That's mad different.
Thank you for tuning in.
Woo! I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna watch me eat another one.
I ain't gonna lie, we're not gonna do the outro yet. Y'all gonna watch it. Last one. Thank you for tuning in for another episode of the Benefits Cooking Show, the number 0, because that's before 1, because you already know what it is.
We appreciate y'all for coming out and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, stay beautiful, stay black. It is Black History Month. You already know.
See y'all next time.
Like, comment, subscribe, send that to a friend, show love, and we out.
I was telling you no because I want us to talk and we're gonna fade out. Alright. Gracias.